video, I'll solve 10 questions of CSIR NET general paper from previous question papers. See the first problem. What is the next term in the sequence? Look at the terms of the sequence. These terms are nothing but the prime numbers, starting with the prime number 7. Therefore, it is a prime sequence. Hence, the prime number which comes after 29 is 31. Hence, the answer is 31. Option C. Next, second problem. Which of the following numbers is a perfect square? Four options are given here. We will make use of these two results to identify a perfect square. The first result is no perfect square ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Look at the second and fourth option. They are ending with 2 and 8. Therefore, you can exclude those options. Now, the second result is prime factors of any perfect square have even multiplicities. So, for the remaining two options, find the prime factorization. The prime factorization of this number is 2 into 3 into 11 into 46,411. Now, look at each prime factor. Each prime factor has index 1. That is nothing but multiplicity. Multiplicity of each prime factor is 1, which is odd, but perfect square should have even multiplicities. Therefore, this cannot be the answer. When you find the prime factorization of this number, you will get prime factors with even multiplicities. Therefore, the answer is first option. Now the third question is, what is the area of the triangle bounded by the lines y equal to 2x, y equal to minus 2x and y equal to 6? First, let us draw the lines on the plane. So y equal to mx is a line passing through the origin. This is just a rough diagram. So y equal to 2x, it is this line. Y equal to minus 2x is also passing through the origin but in the opposite direction, that is y equal to minus 2x. Y equal to 6 is a line parallel to x-axis, means above x-axis by 6 units. So this distance is 6. So this is the triangle formed by these three lines. Hence, we want the area of that triangle. Area is given by half into base into height. So you can see here half into height is 6 units. Base is this value plus this value. So when y equal to 6, x comes out to be 6 by 2, that is 3. Therefore, this point is 3, 6. So this length is 3. Here this length is also 3. So total length is 6. So base is 6. Height is also 6. So we will get 3 so 6 3 is 18. Answer is second option. Now the fourth question is, we define a function f of n equal to sum of digits of n expressed as a decimal number, where this n is expressed as decimal number. For example, f of 137 is sum of digits of this number, 1 plus 3 plus 7, that is 11. So using this, evaluate f of 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 power 6. 4 options given. When you go with the actual multiplication, it takes a lot of time. Therefore, what you have to do is, you have to simplify this expression by finding any powers of 10. So what I'll do here is f of 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 power 6, which is equal to f of, so 5 2s are 10. So there is a chance of getting powers of 10. Therefore, I will split this as 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6 into 1 2 remains into 3 to the power 5. So this is equal to f of 5 2s are 10 to the power 6. So this is easier to simplify. 1 followed by 6 zeros into 3 to the power 5 into 2. The value of 3 to the power 5 you have to find out, which has to be multiplied with 2. So 3 to the power 5 value is 243. 243 into 2, which gives you 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 486. Then which is followed by 6 zeros because 10 to the power 6. So now I have to find, this is the final answer. I have to find the sum of digits of this. Anyway, as there are zeros, that sum won't change even if you add zeros. So remaining is 4 plus 8 plus 6. That gives you 18. So the answer is the second option. Now, fifth question. The areas of inner circle and the shaded ring are equal. The radii R1 and R2 are related by four options given here. So, this is a rough diagram where R1 is the radius of outer circle and R2 is the radius of inner circle. They had given here areas of this inner circle and this shaded ring, they are equal. So first let us find out the area of the smaller circle. AS is equal to area of a circle is pi r square. So pi into r2 square. Area of the larger circle equal to pi into r1 square. I want the area of this shaded ring, which is area of larger circle minus area of smaller circle. So area of the shaded ring equal to pi r 1 square minus pi r2 square. In the question, it is given that areas of inner circle and the shaded ring are equal. Therefore, AR must be equal to the area of the inner circle, that is pi r2 square. So, simplify this. Pi common, r1 square minus r2 square equal to pi r2 square. So pi cancels, r1 square equal to 2 into r2 square. So r1 equal to square root of 2 into r2. So the answer is second option. This is the relation between the radii of these two circles. Now the sixth question, if n comma e and t are distinct positive integers such that n into e into t equal to 2013, then which of the following is the maximum possible sum of n, e and t? That means we have to find out the value of n plus e plus t. Four options given here. So given in the question, n into e into t equal to 2013. So let me first factorize 2013. That is 3671, sir. Then 1161, sir. So three factors I got here because n into e into t, three values given here. So the two possible ways of writing 2013 in terms of three positive integers is 3 into 671 into 1, 11 into 61 together I'll write 671 and I will write into 1 because that gives you the same answer. Then 2013 can also be written as 3 into 11 into 61. In the question they are asking maximum possible sum of n, e and t. So the maximum possible values for n, e and t could be this. Could be this. That is because we want the maximum possible sum. This also possible, but it doesn't give you the largest sum. Therefore, I am taking 3 into 671 into 1 as n into e into t. So let me write that here, which is equal to 2013. Hence, n plus e plus t equal to, add these three values, 3 plus 671 plus 1, which gives you 675. Therefore, answer is third option. Now, seventh question. Every month, the price of a particular commodity falls in this order. This is the order given. What is the next value? You can look at each term of this sequence and you can observe that this sequence is a geometric progression. That is because when you find out 640 divided by 1024 or 400 divided by 640, the ratio is equal to, you can find out this is 5 by 8, this is also 5 by 8. Each ratio is equal. Similarly, 250 by 400 also gives you the ratio 5 by 8. So if each ratio of successive terms is equal, hence it is in geometric progression. Common ratio is given by 5 by 8. I want the next term. Let me take the next term as x. Therefore, x by 250, that must be equal to the common ratio, which is 5 by 8. Cross multiply this, we will get 8x equal to 250 into 5, x equal to 250 into 5 divided by 8. Upon simplification, this gives you the answer 156.25. So first option is the answer. Now, the eighth question, the sum of first n natural numbers with one of them missed is 42. What is the number that was missed? Four options given. So, first you should know the sum of first n natural numbers is given by the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The sum is given as a 42. First, you have to find out the sum which is near to this number 42. For that, I will take n equal to, so let me take n equal to 9. So, when you put n equal to 9 here, that is sum of first 9 natural numbers, which gives you 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 45. 10 into 9 by 2, that gives you 45. So this is the closer number to the given number 42. But they had given this is the sum of first n natural numbers with one of them missed. So I don't know that value. I will take it as x. So 45 from this is the actual sum. If you miss that number, subtract that number, then you will get 42. So therefore x is equal to 45 minus 42, that gives you 3. Therefore the missed number is 3. Now the ninth question, the equation m square minus 33n plus 1 equal to 0, where m and n are integers, has four options given here. So the given equation is m square minus 33n plus 1 equal to 0. So we will get m square equal to 33n minus 1. So m equal to square root of 33n minus 1. So condition is m and n are integers. If you choose n as any of the integer, then suppose n equal to 1, 33 minus 1, 32. Square root of 32 is not an integer. Therefore, there does not exist any integer n for which this final answer is an integer. Hence, the answer is no solution. Last question is, what is the 94th term of this sequence? This is the given sequence and four options given here. Now I will segregate the terms of this sequence into different sets. See, the first set has 1 repeated 2 times, second set has 2 repeated 4 times, third set has 3 repeated 6 times, fourth set has 4 repeated 8 times, and so on. Now let me find out the cumulative frequency of these numbers. So 2, first number is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, then 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 12, 42, and so on. This is how we find the cumulative frequency. Now this cumulative frequency says that till second term of the sequence you will have the value 1. Till sixth term of the sequence you will have the value 2. You can check here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last sixth term ends with the value 2. Therefore 12th term ends with the value 3. Then 20th term ends with the value 4. 30th term ends with the value 5, and so on. Therefore 90th term ends with the value 9. We want 94th term. 1/10th term ends with the value 10. That means till from starting from 91st term till 1/10th term, it is 10 repeated. Therefore, we want here 94th term that comes within this range, 90 to 110. 90 to 110, in that set 10 gets repeated. Hence 94th term is 10. Option C is the answer.